Thank you for purchasing this Light Box downloadable template at the Art store. The assembly procedure you are about to watch supports all the different Light Box templates available in our store, regardless of the product you've picked. Please notice that this tutorial covers only the assembly process, keeping in mind there are several ways to cut the cardboard pieces, ranging from manual to machine-assisted procedures. For the purpose of this tutorial, we've chosen the Jimi Hendrix Light Box template, but again, the assembly process is exactly the same for all the other similar templates. Just for your information, these pieces were generated from the provided SVG file, which was processed using a Cricut Maker 3 cutting machine. Here's the required material list for this assembly procedure. The 7 cut cardboard pieces that make up the template. 20 foam pad spacers to provide depth and thickness for the cardboard layers. Please read the instructions PDF file for further details. Sharp scissors, zip dry glue or regular glue stick, and a ruler. Optional LED light strip with adhesive backside if you decide to assemble a light box instead of a shadow box. With no further ado, let's get started with the external box assembly. We'll work on the bottom piece first. Go ahead and start folding the sides with the help of the dash marks. Do it slowly and carefully, and also fold the lids on the 4 corners. This is where the glue should be applied, holding the piece together. Next, apply a few drops of zip dry glue on the lids and attach them together. Repeat the process on the 4 corners. This is how it should look like. Now, repeat the same process for the top piece of the box. And that's it. We're done with the external box pieces, and now we'll get started with the foam pad spacers. Each of the 5 cardboard layers should get 4 pads attached. They should be glued to the back side, in the exact position displayed in this video. Be careful not to let them touch the paper border. This is how it should look like. Now go ahead and repeat the same process for all the 4 remaining pieces of cardboard. Now it's time to assemble the 5 cardboard pieces together. With the top layer upside down, drop some zip dry glue on the 4 pads. Next, carefully place the second layer right on top of the first one, also upside down. While the glue is still wet, examine the alignment of the 2 layers and make minor adjustments as needed. Let it dry completely for about 3 minutes. Then go ahead and repeat the same process for all the 4 remaining pieces of cardboard. If you'd like to assemble your box as a light box, you must include a 24-inch long LED light strip with adhesive backside, so you can easily attach it to the bottom piece of the box. Attach it to the inner side walls, near the bottom, touching the adjacent bottom plane. It should leave enough room to properly accommodate the cardboard pieces inside the box as well. This is how it should look like. Now, the only step left is to place the cardboard stack inside of the box. It should fit tightly, but if you'd like, you may glue it to the bottom of the box for optimal center alignment. For the purposes of this demonstration, I won't glue it at this time. Go ahead and close the box. If you assembled it in light box mode, go ahead and attach the power cable to the LED light plug. And there you have it. Enjoy your amazing self-assembled light box.